Hello students. In this video, you will learn how to write HTML codings for ordered list. Firstly, we will write comment statement for ordered list. Then HTML tag because we are writing HTML document. Inside the HTML tag, we will use body tag. Inside the body tag, we will choose an appropriate heading for ordered list. For the writing heading, I am using here h1 tag, and I am going to write list for making T as its steps. So in the list, I will write the steps that how to make T. Steps I will write using li tag. The first step is warm the teapot with a little boiled water. Here inside the oil tag, I am not defining which type of list I have to display. If I am not defining any type of list, then by default 1, 2, 3, 4 will be displayed because I am using ordered list. Then second step is put tea into the pot. After writing this program, you will see how to use type and start attribute with OL tag. Third step, pour boiled water into the tea. Then strain the tea. Then put the milk and in the last step for making tea is add sugar. After writing program, as you know, we have to save the file. I am saving the file using file name ord.html. After saving the file, I will run the program. And here you can see steps are displayed with numbers. Now, I am going to explain how to use type and start attribute in ordered list. So inside the ordered list, we will use type attribute. I am using here A, capital A. You can also make list using alphabets and numbers also in ordered list, and it will start from 13th alphabet, which is capital M. After running the program, you can see MNOPQR. Now I am going to use a small a. Then it will be a start from a small m. Now I am going to use Roman numerals in capital, and I am going to start it from 13, or I am going to change it from 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I am using a small Roman numeral and starting from 11. So you can see here it is started from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 in small Roman numerals. Now I am going to use plain numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and starting from 101. Now lists are displayed using numbers 101 to 103, 4, 5, 6. Thank you.